In this episode, I hike to the summit of Walshs Pyramid and also visit one of Australia's tallest waterfalls. Let's get to it. Hello everyone, my name is Just Mike and welcome to Sensacious Hiatus, where I highlight my travels and share information with you on how I made those adventures happen. So I met back up with Adam, who you may have seen in a couple of my previous videos, and we hired a car together to travel from Cairns to Townsville, which is only about a 4-hour drive. We had the car for a couple days and planned to take our time stopping at a few of the places along the way, the first of which was Walshs Pyramid. Walshs Pyramid is a 922 meter high mountain located in Wooroonooran National Park. When you first see the mountain, you'll notice the very distinct pyramid-like shape to it, and some might say that it was built by aliens. Nonetheless, hiking to the summit took us a few hours, and it was indeed quite steep in some places. I think like right there is the A1, and you got the ocean. Great Barrier Reef out there somewhere. Yeah! After hiking down from Walshs Pyramid, we were back on the road and stopped to check out a couple views of Hinchinbrook Island. We didn't have time to visit the island, but I did hear from other travelers that there is some great hiking tracks there. Our next stop was Wallaman Falls, but we'd have to drive around the cows to get there. Wallaman Falls is the tallest single-drop waterfall in Australia at 268 meters. Yeah, that was definitely one of my favorite waterfalls that I saw in Australia. On this day, it had a permanent rainbow at the base of it. We decided to walk down to the base of the falls to get a different perspective and possibly go for a swim. If you find yourself in this area, I highly recommend visiting the base of the falls. It really gives you a sense of how large it is, and it also is very mesmerizing watching the falling water turn into mist before it reaches the bottom. Alright, all this waterfall footage is making me have to go take a piss, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and feel free to leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe if you feel obliged.